Hello everyone, welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this video we will know about circular sketch pattern. In previous video we'll know linear sketch pattern. Select this. Here second option is circular sketch pattern. For circular sketch pattern we draw a sketch, select a circle, right click, select option. Now go to linear sketch pattern, second option circular sketch pattern. Perimeter, select this circle. This is the x-axis and y-axis origin point. We can shift it towards 10 mm. This is center point, origin point 0, 0. We can edit by putting a value here. Keep it 0. 360. Here number of instances 4 at 360 degree. Equal spacing. Every circle will be at equal space. If we decrease it 180 degree, from here we can change our direction by this arrow. Our 4 circles will be at 180 degree only. We can also edit angle at 270 degree. 90 degree. Selection 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 circles limited at 90 degree. So change it 360. We can change angle from here. Check our equal spacing, dimension, radius, number of instances 4. Okay. Here is this radius. This radius of circle, reference circle, 180 degree. Again, scale, circular sketch pattern, perimeter this one. Now 180 degree. Spaces, change direction here. Okay. So this is our circular sketch pattern. Thanks for watching.